That was cool.
I think I knew it was the ending, 'cause you were so done with pretending.
Flat, bounce, rewind. Oh, that's interesting. I've never done a rewind. I think they're super cool to like watch and see. So yeah, we're gonna try it. We're gonna see how it goes. The mechanics of the trick seem pretty simple. You just kind of do what you're doing, but in reverse. I think there's a sweet spot for the throttle, so it doesn't bounce or jitter when you start the rewind. It's smooth. So obviously that's what we're gonna go for.
Now I don't know where I'll go. I'm feeling down.
All right, welcome back. We are at week 10 of the FPV journey. This is the flat bounce rewind like you saw in the intro. So we're at a field again. This is a different field than I'm normally at just because I thought I'd mix it up. I was watching the tutorial for a flat bounce rewind and I think it's pretty simple. You just do what you're doing, but you just do it in reverse. Is there a dumpster over here or something? It really just looks like a split S, so instead of going out of the split S, you just rewind. So let's hop in, start our batteries, get flying. All right, feeling good, feeling fresh. It's the, let's see. Let's do it, you know, let's just do it in the open field. How am I at low battery already? You change your mind, but not this time. I'm feeling lost without you. Now I don't know where I'll go. I'm feeling down. I think I gotta be more aggressive on the throttle. Alright, definitely some notes for last time. Nope, okay. Let's go up more. Drop down and rewind. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's go. Okay, that was a little too floaty. Rewind, rewind, rewind. It's been 4 months now. This battery, this is a 1300 milliamp battery from, I think I got it off Amazon, the Ovonics. I don't know how to say it. Ovonic, I don't know. I think I just got a bad battery. It does not last very long. But, you know, it is what it is. Does anyone else love soccer? Or football if you're not from America? I enjoy it. I actually coach soccer team and we're about to start pretty soon here. I'm excited. This battery is already spent, so let's bring her home. Feeling good, feeling fresh. See if I can land. Battery number 1 down, now it's time for, you guessed it, battery number 2. Oh yeah, this battery's looking better. I just don't know what to here. Let's go, let's watch this. And then we'll do this. Woo! I did not want to hit that pole. I don't even know how close I was. I just don't think I get the, like, I feel like the quad drops too slow, you know? I feel like I got a couple, all right, let's go over here. I don't want to walk in case I get this wrong. Yeah, I did not do that right. Let's do it more in the open field again. All right, let's do a donkey loop again, because that sounds fun. I know I do a lot of those, but it's just a lot of fun. I want to do one where I come out of it clean, you know? Ooh, that was good. Better. All right, but that's not what we're here to do. Don't get distracted, Tim. Don't get distracted. Do what we're here to do, which is the rewind. That's pretty cool. A little drive-by, flyby. Oh, I know what I need to do. Okay, watch this, guys. That's how you juicy flick. I'm just kidding. We're not ready for a juicy flick. Oh, that was cool. That was pretty sick. Yeah, this is a nice field. This is where we play our games. This is where we play our games for the soccer team, for the high school boys, and it's a nice field. It's fun. Yeah, I enjoy playing soccer. I enjoy flying the drones, and I like when I can put the two together. There's an idea I have for a video that I think would be a lot of fun, but for it I need a 3-inch drone that flies a little slower and smoother. I mean, like, that I can fly around people a little slower and smoother. I'm not comfortable flying this around people. But it has to do with someone juggling a soccer ball. So if that's something you want to see, let me know. All right, let's bring it in. Oh. Last battery of the day. Let's make this one the best one. You already know how it is. Okay. Flat bounce route. Let's try to get close to the ground. See what I need to do. It's just doing it, you know? I guess there's really not that many interesting features here to do this trick. Maybe we can do it next to the car. Hopefully I don't crash into myself or the ground. Okay, see, that made me nervous. Interesting fact, we've lost 4 game balls into these woods, and I don't think they're ever going to be found. Over there. Maybe you can see one. I can't. Yeah, I just thought that'd be a fun fact. All right, I really want to get this. Yep, just another beautiful day. It's actually a little chilly. I think that's why the batteries are not lasting very long. That's okay. I'm gonna take this one nice and slow. Nice, that was pretty cool. Let's do it again. Because my name isn't Timo not FPV, it's Timo FPV. All right, try it again. Let's try this again on the grass. You know what? No. I got about one more try in me for this battery kerplunks. So we're gonna try this with the car one last time, except this time we're gonna do it right. We're going to do it the way it was intended. Okay, I don't know if that was cool. Oh, my battery's dying. I need more batteries. I think, I feel like I got a few good ones. Right? Yeah, I got it pretty good. Can we hit the gap? I'm very nervous to do this. If I just fly it really slow, we should be fine. I am so good, even though the quad's upside down. Stop recording there. Take the battery out here, turn these off, unplug that, turn this off, and yeah, let's do this outro and be on our merry way. All right, where is my Sharpie? Sharpie, I just had it. Where did I put it? Oh, there it is, okay. All right, here we go. So we are on trick number 10 of 64. We are getting there. We are getting to the end. I don't know what we're gonna get to, by the end of this year, but we can certainly do our best. This was the flat bounce rewind, my first rewind. So we're gonna do the ground right here. And there's grass. We're gonna draw an arrow. We're gonna start with an arrow. Okay, that's the rewind part. You're expecting me to draw the drone. What you're not expecting me to do is to draw, you don't know what that is. That's called a cassette player. And to rewind a cassette player, you have to stick a pencil and rewind it manually. And I think that is appropriate. Honestly, it was a lot easier than I was expecting. And I don't think I got a super great one, but I think I did okay. I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 5 stars. 1 out of 5 stars, flat bounce rewind. There you go. All right, there you go. There was the trick flat bounce rewind. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like the video, comment down below what you think the next trick will be, and subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, I hope you enjoy these videos. I want to make them better, want to make them more enjoyable, more entertaining. So if you have any ideas that you want to see happen, let me know. All right, I'm Team FPV. Catch you later.